friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration setting in our Oppo phone. So in this video friends we will talk about guys our sound and vibration setting Oppo mobile, and we will talk about do not disturb mode, how to enable. So friends, you want to enable guys your do not disturb. So how to enable it in Oppo phone, in this video I will show you. And guys, how can you use guys your do not disturb setting in your Oppo phone, I will also tell you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your do not disturb, then guys scroll it, and guys you can see guys your sound and vibration setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, you can use guys your sound and vibration setting from here guys. So as you can see guys your do not disturb, so guys tap here. So you want to enable, so you can enable from this right side, and guys you can see this notification, and guys you can see this moon icon will on your screen, because guys do not disturb mode is enabled. And as you can see your do not disturb notification, your phone will not ring or vibrate except for alarms and timers. The status bar will show a moon icon when do not disturb is on. So as guys you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable do not disturb in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.